unbox my new iPhone. Welcome to another day in lockdown. I'm just heading out to do my training session. Heading out to the park, that is. Came out in the warm-up and this is not a bun, this is like a bird's nest just twisted into a bun with a scrunchie stuck in it. My last set is 8 150s with like a easy shuffle jog back between each rep as recovery. Look at my stupid hair. Is that a bathtub? This is Mum's. Ooh, yum. Oh my god, look at those chips. And then I got a... Okay, so I'm in my sister's room right now. Ow, come on, son! I'm in my sister's room right now because it's the warmest room at this time of day. The sun is coming through the window and it's freaking freezing in every other room. The reason I came here is because I'm going to unbox my new iPhone. Do you know what would be really awkward if this wasn't even the phone and it was something else, but I'm pretty sure it's a phone. If you guys watched my Instagram controls my day video and you saw that I put on my story which color iPhone 12 do I get, I've been considering getting an iPhone 12 for a few reasons, mostly because the camera quality is so much better, also because my phone just isn't big enough, like storage wise. It just runs out all the time. I liked both the purple and the green. I literally got like 2 seconds to pick because my dad was on the phone to Optus and was like, quick, which color do you want? And I was like, purple. Ooh, Look how slick it is. This lighting ain't it. Okay, it's like the word that comes to my mind is like schmick. Like, you know when you, wow, the nails are not a vibe. The COVID nails. I should do ASMR. I should get my mic, my podcasting mic, and do like honestly, ASMR is kind of creepy. Ignore the unaesthetic COVID nails. Thank you, lockdown. It's very square compared to like the previous, so my previous phone is an XR. It's a bit more rounded, but let's open her up. Schmick, she's the vibes. The schmick new iPhone vibes. Oh, I'm so glad I got the purple. Oh, she's sexy. Look at her. Ignore the nails. Oh, oh yes. Oh, she feels so clean and cold and crisp. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Size comparison. It's smaller. Is this the right phone? What? What? iPhone 12. Ah, it's kind of nice. It's still smaller. Look at the color. Oh, she's so pretty. I love this color. Beautiful. I love the color. Does it come charged? That Apple symbol. Oh, we love that for us. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay, continue. Okay, this is some 21st century business. Finish on new iPhone. How cool! New phone. Ah! Should I take a thumbnail? Wait, it's got my sister's door in the background. Face ID. iPhone can recognize the unique 3-dimensional. Okay, yes, continue. First Face ID scan. Complete. Oh, okay, so I can transfer my data. This is so handy. So right now it's transferring my data from my old phone to my new one. If I'm ever gonna fall in love, it's always gonna be you. It's you. Oh, it's worked. Settings. Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. If I'm ever gonna fall in love, I met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart. 3 minutes! That was so fast. Oh, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Wow. 11 minutes, it's going up. We love that. Please don't break my heart. I am me again. So please don't break my heart. Trust me, I've been broken before. So the way I'm passing the time is singing this song that I really like, but I don't know the words for. And I really want to look them up, but I have to wait 11 minutes still before I can look them up. Please don't break my heart. Trust me, I've been broken before. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is take a photo on each phone. Take a photo on each phone and then put them up side by side to compare them. So I was looking through the photo album to take a picture of one of the pictures to show you guys. I love my voice right now, Emma Stone vibes. And it's from 2008, so I'm 8 in these photos, and it's kind of like that ugly phase. It's kind of like genuinely hard to find a photo that's not disgusting. I can't believe my mum like put me in those clothes and then took these photos and got them developed. Like, what? I'm not going to print ugly photos of my kid when I'm older. That's just weird. random picture of me and my sister just like chilling in a field. What am I wearing? Is that camo print pants? Wow, I was ahead of the times. With an Australian cap and a top that says, I'm pretty sure that says, yeah, it says cheeky on it. What is on this earth? This? Absolutely not. When we did like this school dance festival. Actually, you know what? Should I just take one? Yeah, you know what? We're just going to take one in the mirror, not a picture of the picture. Okay, wow. There is definitely a big difference. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This here is why I wanted to invest in this new phone. I'm here for this. I feel like an Insta story in the mirror with the iPhone 12 is necessary right now. Oh, the quality. Exciting things. I love it. I'm happy with the color, so thank you whoever voted purple. How cool. How cool. What are you doing?
Well, it's on their papers. This woman said this was the best thing to do to get all your whole core body going.
Are you kidding? You listen to the sound of Paper Woman and not me? What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Imi's Insight. It's your host Imi, and I've just spent the last like half an hour trying to work out how to use GarageBand. I swear every single time I make a podcast, it doesn't like me. But you know what, I'm going to start with the story time. I'll start with the story time to get me rolling, and this story time is the time I had a rat living in my room. So, it was between the year 9 and year 10 summer holidays. Every single night when I was trying to fall asleep, there was a rustling sound in my room. That just reminded me, I used to think, okay, so it could be my plants rustling, but there's no breeze. Maybe they're just like growing in the night and they're moving as they grow. We're in Paris, and this is just such a random memory. And I was also a bit like confused because the bird was like really, its claws were hurting. It was quite sharp and heavy. And oh god, this is so traumatic. And I smiled for the photo, and then like she took it and I turned around and it was a freaking... By the way, I don't need glasses. These are blue light glasses. So cozy. Happy Sunday. I just got up and my hair is a bird's nest from being in those space buns yesterday, but also I'm obsessed with my OODIE. It is the most comfortable thing. I've been sleeping in it every night. Who doesn't want to be a fluff ball in this? Oh, she's so fluffy. Like, look how fluffy she is. Oh, I love it. It's so thick. Oh, delicious. I'm currently just editing while I eat my baked oats, but microwaved life hack. And because yesterday a bunch of absolute dickheads protested the lockdowns in Sydney. They're so you don't die, but okay. So now everyone's predicting we're gonna be on lockdown till like the end of the year, because practically the end of the year, because thousands of people just went out to spread coronavirus. So that's great. I've just been spending the morning editing. I actually have one client today because one of my clients lives in the same LGA as one of my clients lives in the same LGA as me. So we're still able to train. So we're training today. Well, I'm training her, and I'm also going to do my own session before that. So that's my plan. I've just been editing for 3 hours straight, and I'm now gonna go have a break and go for a nice walk. So I have taken so much footage. This vlog that I'm editing, please go and watch it. It's taken me like 24 hours of editing so far. I've been doing it over a few days. Hello, sun. Yeah, so it's taking me forever and it's so long, and anyway, sorry about it, but I'm gonna go walk. I was gonna meet Liv to walk, but she's cooking her family Christmas in July dinner, which is so cute. So I'm just gonna go on my own, listen to a pod. I forgot my phone. I'm gonna go grab it so I can listen to a pod and just chill, get my steps, and just have a break. Have a little, that's really cute lighting. Sorry, every time I see like lighting that's like decent, I like stop and like smile so I can have potential thumbnails. I realized I do have my phone, it's in my pocket.
Later.
So I'm gonna wrap up this kind of lockdown life weekend vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram accounts, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!